Hi, I'm Octo. Welcome to my channel. You're probably feeling more relaxed if you did your downward dog yoga pose today. Regardless of your level of yoga expertise, regular practice can help you feel better from head to toe. Yoga is beneficial to both physical and mental health for people of all ages. And, if you're suffering from an illness, recovering from surgery, or living with a chronic condition, yoga can become an important part of your treatment and potentially hasten your recovery. A yoga therapist can work with patients to create individualized plans that complement their medical and surgical treatments. Yoga can thus aid in the healing process by allowing the person to experience symptoms with greater calm and less distress. Here are some benefits of doing yoga on a regular basis. 1. Yoga strengthens, balances, and stretches the body. Slow movements and deep breathing increase blood flow and warm up muscles, while holding a pose strengthens them. 2. Yoga can help relieve back pain. Yoga is just as effective as basic stretching for relieving pain and improving mobility in people suffering from lower back pain. Yoga is recommended as a first-line treatment for chronic low back pain by the American College of Physicians. 3. Yoga can help relieve arthritis symptoms. According to a Johns Hopkins review of 11 recent studies, gentle yoga has been shown to alleviate some of the discomfort of tender, swollen joints in people with arthritis. 4. Yoga is good for your heart. Regular yoga practice may reduce stress and overall inflammation, resulting in healthier hearts. Yoga can help with several of the factors that contribute to heart disease, such as high blood pressure and obesity. 5. Yoga relaxes you, allowing you to sleep better. A consistent bedtime yoga routine can help you get in the right mindset and prepare your body to fall and stay asleep, according to research. 6. Yoga can provide you with more energy and a better mood. After establishing a yoga practice, you may experience increased mental and physical energy, increased alertness and enthusiasm, and fewer negative feelings. 7. Yoga aids in stress management. Yoga, according to the National Institutes of Health, helps with stress management, mental health, mindfulness, healthy eating, weight loss, and quality sleep. 8. Yoga brings you into contact with a supportive community. Yoga classes can help to alleviate loneliness and provide an environment for group healing and support. Loneliness is reduced even during one-on-one sessions because one is acknowledged as a unique individual, is listened to, and participates in the creation of a personalized yoga plan. 9. Yoga encourages self-care. Yoga benefits according to scientific research. The United States military, the National Institutes of Health, and other large organizations are paying attention to, and incorporating, scientific evidence of yoga's value in healthcare. Numerous studies have shown that yoga can help with arthritis, osteopenia, balance issues, oncology, women's health, chronic pain, and other conditions. If you found this video helpful, then do hit the like and subscribe button, so that I can make more videos like this. Do share this video with your friends and family. And if I missed anything, then do comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.